Hello and welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. I have just installed Zone Ranger. Now, of course, with anything, especially cartridges, but other things, joysticks are not so critical. But with cartridges, you gotta turn the machine off before you put them in. You just gotta. So I have a joystick here I want to test. I'm assuming this game uses a joystick. I'm going to put this in port 2. One thing about the VIC-20, you never have to worry about which port, because there's only one. Commodore 64, you just don't know. So I'm going to turn this on, and it is loading. Which means it's probably doing a whole bunch of messing with things. Okay, so now, just for fun, I'm going to hit the fire button. And nothing happens. So, I'm going to pull this out. I'm going to put it in the port 1. I'm going to press the fire button. And I'm going to move it around. And nothing happens. Interesting. Okay. Well, is that because I just don't know how to start this? Or is it because the joystick is screwed? I don't know. So, I'm going to take another joystick. I would really like this not to be screwed. I'm going to take another joystick. Da-da-da. I'm going to stick it in port 2. I'm going to press the fire button. And, well, that's encouraging. Nothing happens. And then I'm going to put it in port 1. Press the fire button, and nothing happens. So that is encouraging. So, all right. Yeah. So I'm confused. But these things happen. I don't know what to do. Well, I guess what I need to do is turn this off and connect the keyboard and see what's what. So thanks for coming. We'll see you again. And we'll get to the bottom of this. Bye for now.